everyone, Mark here. Welcome to Red Duchess Farm. Today we're building raised beds. We're building them out of treated 2x6s. We've got 4 built. They're mostly going to be for strawberries, but I don't know that I've got enough plants to fill all 4. We have 2 already filled, so we may do some fall crop, some broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, that sort of thing in the ones that we don't put strawberries in. So we've already got the beds built, and so let's go get them installed and filled, and we'll get some planting done. So here's one of the raised beds. They're 3 feet wide, 8 feet long, and I laid steel out earlier this summer where these beds are going to go. So we should have the grass killed, the sod killed. And we've got a couple beds of strawberries here that need weed eated around. I'm going to set these beds 32 inches apart, and then down between them I'm going to put 3-foot black weed mat down to keep the weeds down between them. So here's the 2 strawberry beds that were already here. And then we built 2 raised beds here, and we've got strawberries planted in those. We've got the black weed mat down between the beds. And then we have 2 more beds here that are filled and ready to be planted. And eventually I want these to have strawberries in them, but I don't have more plants. So for now, these 2 beds, and then the boys are building 2 more beds for here. These 4 beds we will plant fall garden stuff in. I'm not exactly sure what yet. I'm thinking lettuces and spinach and the greens type of things. And then we've also got a lot of broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage plants that are almost ready to go in the ground. So we will be filling these boxes up. And then out here in the main part of the garden, we planted a row of squash, and there's yellow zucchini, green zucchini, and yellow straight neck squash. And then we planted another row of cucumbers. And these were planted a couple weeks ago, and I'm hoping that we'll get something off of them before frost. Here are our last 2 raised beds. We'll get them set in place tomorrow and get them filled and get started planting. I will bring you along and show you what we're planting, and show you whenever it comes up, and keep you posted on what's going on with our new raised beds. I may get some more lumber, and we may build some more of these yet this fall. These beds are 4 foot wide by 8 foot, where the other ones are 3 by 8. And these we will be able to, I will probably take 1-inch PVC and drive in the ground at about 3 places down each side, and then take 3/4-inch PVC 10-foot pieces to where I can make bows or arches over, so if we need to cover things with plastic this fall, depending upon what the weather does. So that's going to be a nice option. Also, we're going to get a lot of other things planted in the ground as far as cold crops go in the next few days. So hopefully we'll have a fairly good fall garden. It's been a really crazy summer around here, and I'll go into that in some future videos perhaps. I really appreciate all of you hanging around and sticking with us when we really haven't been putting up any videos for quite a while. We've got quite a few videos that are shot, and we just have not had time to get them edited and get them posted. We'll try to get some of those caught up, and hopefully we'll be getting more regular content out as things slow down a bit here in the fall. So as always, we really appreciate you watching. We'd love to hear your comments. If you haven't subscribed, it would be great if you would. Please like and share our videos. And thanks for watching from Red Duchess Farm. You have a great day.